Hey, yo, little piece of shit! What is up, guys? It's your boy Z Smasher. Today we're playing Laundry Night. You know, it's self-explanatory. We're in a laundromat, or whatever that place is called, and we're trying to do our laundry. It's a horror game. Let's get straight into it, shall we? WASD to move, interact. Alright, drop item. Let's go! Let's go! Come on. I love doing my laundry. It's so peaceful when no one else is here. Okay. Yo, out of order? Come on. Come on! You're fucking kidding me, right? First I need to grab a basket of dirty laundry. That's it. Yes, sir. Doesn't matter which one I put it in. Guess not. Put in. Add detergent. Where's the detergent at? Detergent. It's kinda... Where's this? Finally, add the quarters. Where's my money? Where my money at? Huh? Oh wow, okay. That's a nice JPEG of pennies right there. Oh, what was that flash? What was that flash? just toss it on the floor. You know, fuck this shit. Yeet. Oh, it landed. I can't pick that up. What do I do now? Yeet. Can get more change. What's the point? What do I do now? It's like 11 p.m. Is that what it is? Almost 11. Oh, I can go out. Oh, I can grab a drink. I need more change. Give me some coins. Oh. Whoa! Fucking hell, that car scared the shit out of me. Locked. Damn it. You piece of shit, it's locked. I move freaking fast sideways. How long does it take? I guess I won't know. Let's see. Oh, is this this is detergent room. What am I doing? It's so dark. Next move, the wet clothes to the dryer. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm coming back. I went too far. I'm sorry. I'm coming. Okay. Where's the dryer? Are these the dryers? I need more fucking coins! Hell yeah, brother. Let me close that door. Wait, there's more clothes? I didn't even realize there's more clothes. I just put them in. Fuck! Unlimited money right here, brother. Sounds like there's like an earthquake going on in there, bro. I hope there's no more clothes. I hope I'm not tripping. Fuck you. Yeah, there you go. It's only been a minute? What the fuck? It's been a whole entire minute only. Yo, it's a van. He took the sharpest right turn right there. Insane. Another car. This place is cool. I like cars, you know. Cars are pretty cool. Finally, drop off the dry clothes in my car. Fuck, I need a basket. Come here. Fuck! Oh, that is steaming hot. Interesting. Leave 2 doors open. What does one do while waiting? Oh my god, it's a fucking scare right there, dude. Put it? Hello? I can't put it in that. Okay, give me some pennies. Yeet. Cool. I can use the same washing machine, but not the dryer. Interesting. Very interesting. That's a nice picture of a fire extinguisher right there. Very sick. What am I doing? These lights are sick. These lights are very hourglassy. Anyone wanna come and help me out here? You know, I'm pretty chill right now. Come on, come chat with me, bro. Come on. I can't go in there because it's fucking locked. It's locked? Even this trash can is locked? Damn, that's interesting. That's interesting right there. That's interesting. That is fucking hilarious. Wait, where did the baskets go? I just lost the baskets. The baskets are completely gone. Oh, what? What do I get? What can I get? Whoa! Oh fuck! I didn't even see it. I just ate it. Oh, $5,000 reward for this missing person. Hey, yo! Free. Oh, sick. Oh, that's steaming hot, yeah. Fuck's sakes! The door just closed on me. Uh-oh. Oh my god. 521, does anyone know this strange woman that is staring me through the window? Is she homeless or something? I saw her too on June 16. I tried to talk to her, but she disappeared right in front of me. Holy shit, who is this weird lady? I think she's a ghost. Don't be dramatic, ghosts aren't real, you idiot. Don't be alone after midnight. She will come for you. Okay. Did the dryer door just... Oh yeah, it did! It did! How long did I sit here? What? Hey yo, why did this open? What the fuck? Let's go. Hey yo, little piece of shit. Oh. Fucking hell, mate. Fucking hell, mate. I was expecting that and I still got fucking scared. Shit. Oh. Hey. Yo, there's some beats right here, bro. Whoa. She just played some intense beat and just left. Come on, man. Okay. Please. Please. She dropped some of the meanest fucking bitch ass. Shit. Ah! My goodness. I just dropped the N-word bomb right there, bro. Oh my god. Ah, that's insane. The ghost dropped the key. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Give me the key. Give me the fucking key. Where do I go? Where do I go? What? Are you fucking kidding me? There's a fucking skeleton in there. What? What? I'm sorry. What? Huh? Huh? We just gonna cut it there. No information about where the fuck this skeleton came from, and that's it. The game just ends. Oh, all right. I'm not gonna ask any questions. All right, but like, I guess this is the end of this game. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.